Hi friends, so this is Lucky Sony here and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about Wim Hof. Okay, Wim Hof is a person who is holding 26 official Guinness World Record. He is also known as the Iceman, and he achieved lots of stuff as part of his life, like he climbed the multiple mountains by wearing shorts only. Okay, and he's the person who ran into the desert without drinking a single drop of water. Okay, he's the person who swim under the frozen ocean. Okay, which area near to the 1 foot wall ground. The person, those kind of activities, those kind of stuffs are really impossible, and a normal person cannot work on this. A normal person cannot simply think about it. Okay, what is the reason behind it? Because the person, we are having all those capacities, but from a long time we are not working on our capacities, and our brain is designed in such a way it's looking for the comfort zone. So we have decided to adopt such kind of thing which can provide the comfort zone, and we can work on it. Suppose we would like to go to any mountain, so we are wearing all the suits, so in this way we can tolerate the cold. Okay, so like this we have couple of things as part of our life whenever we would like to do some activities. But what Wim Hof is saying, we was having all those capabilities, but due to our generations have not worked on it from a long time, we are losing those particular capabilities, and we can gain it back by applying something simple therapies. Okay, so he just have talked about the three pillar. Those three pillars is going to help you out to achieve such kind of impossible results. Okay, even while he was doing such kind of activities and holding all those records, people thought of he having the such kind of genetic system. Because of that only he is able to work on such kind of things. So finally what he had did, he just provided a training to the 12 peoples, and after the training he was able to achieve the same results whatever the results he was achieving as part of his life. And he simply proved that anybody can achieve the same kind of result if they adopt the same kind of immune system. So it's called the adaptive immune system, because our body is designed in such a way, and we can activate such kind of stuff. Okay, so if I talk about the immune system, so this immune system is going to help you out to manage your stress. Okay, it may be your physical level, it may be your mental level, it may be emotional. So all those kind of problem, all those kind of stress can be managed through those techniques. Let me talk about those three pillars. The first pillar is known as the cold therapy. The cold therapy is going to help you out to increase your immune system. This cold therapy is going to help you out to burn your fat. Okay, to get a better sleep. So in this way, this cold therapy is helping a lot. Okay, so he applied as part of his life, and he was able to get the desired result with the help of cold therapy. The second pillar is known as the breathing system. So he said that he simply breathing so much deep dive. He was in a meditation kind of mode where he was breathing so much better way, and what to say, he was applying the breathing technique. With the help of that he is able to maintain his stress. He is able to maintain the inflammation. So first of all you need to understand what do you mean by inflation. Inflation means you're not going to afraid of external pressures. Okay, external stress like physical, mental, or the emotional. Even you will enjoy it, and you will learn from it. That is called inflammation. So you need to learn from it instead of afraid from it. So you will not have the inflammation. Okay, so while you will apply the breathing technique, he clearly explained how exactly he applied the breathing technique, and the breathing technique helped him to control his entire body, entire immune system, which is able to help him to adopt such kind of adaptive immune system, and able to achieve such kind of result. The third thing is commitment. So he was committed enough whatever he think of, so he was able to control his mind. He was ready to give all those kind of strong instructions to the mind. It should not get implemented. So all these three techniques or three pillars is helping him out to ad- to gain the adaptive immune system. This immune system even we can apply as part of our life. Okay, we can thought of how logically we need to drive our mind. We can adopt such kind of breathing patterns where we can control our life for the better results. We can where we are see where whether we are thinking our body is not that much capable enough, but we can apply such kind of technique, and this kind of technique is going to help us out to find out the exceptional results. So I hope so guys this video is help you out a lot, and definitely I will come back with such kind of lots of learning as part of the impact theory videos. Yeah, so if you have liked the content, please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. Bye bye.